Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable notifications on lock screen in Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, we can view the notification on lock screen. Okay, here the notification on my lock screen. And okay guys, to disable this notification, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02 and settings, go to lock screen. Okay, tap this. In lock screen, okay, you can see the notifications is on. And okay guys, to disable the notification, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. Okay, and okay guys, we can view the notification if gone. Okay, that's it. We have successfully disabled the notification on your lock screen. And okay guys, I decide to enable the notification on my lock screen by switching on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, also you can change the setting of this notification. Okay, tap the notification and you can set into icon or details. Okay, so okay, if details, okay, you can change the transparency. Okay, you can adjust on high or low to left or to right. And okay guys, and also you can change the auto reverse text color by switching on or off this switch button on the right side. And also you can hide the content by switching on the switch button on the right side or off. And also you can change the notification to show. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this and set into alert and silent notification or in alert notification only. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, we can view the details in your lock screen. Okay, press the power button and press again, and that's it. The information of this notification is show. And okay guys, so I decide the notification into icon only. Okay, select icon only. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled notifications on lock screen in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.